I'll do a few of those. Exactly, yeah, it's designed right off the native sealskin paddling jackets. Seals around the wrists, around the face, and around the boat.
This one short sequence demonstrates how replica building can educate us. The practical applications of both the deck lines and the carved grip in the mastic are immediately apparent as Harvey works his way into the tight cockpit. Once he is in, the purpose of the ivory tip guards on the paddle is also made crystal clear. For understanding traditional kayaks, actual use is the best teacher of all. Notice how the ends of the kayak remain well clear of the water. Because this boat is fairly long and straight on the keel, leaning and various paddle maneuvers are used to compensate. The contrast with the modern power craft seen in the background couldn't be stronger. When the wake from these guys shows up in a few minutes, we'll get a chance to see what the Groenlander can do when the waves kick up. This low sheer won't catch much wind, but it will be a wetter ride than the Baffin Island kayak we saw earlier. The horn stern makes a very clean wave. Note how the ends remain well clear and that the amount of volume appears to remain fairly constant. It just rotates some sections underwater while it lifts others free, all without much fuss. A low sculling brace provides all the riding force needed. This slow roll demonstrates the control over hull attitude that the